White Christmas.
The Jimmy Stewart movie, It's a Wonderful Life.
It's a Wonderful Life.
Favorite Christmas movie that I'm not in would be Christmas Story.
Well, only one that's coming to mind is Wonderful Life.
White Christmas. My mom will kill me if I don't say that.
Angels We Have Heard on High.
Silent Night.
Oh Holy Night.
Probably Oh Holy Night.
White Christmas, but I also like Home for the Holidays, and I like all that Christmas stuff.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Oh, it depends on what's in the eggnog.
Nog.
Cider.
Cider.
I've never had either. So, I don't know, cider?
Cider. Never eggnog. Ever.
Oh, come on, that's not fair. Sinatra.
Sinatra.
Bing Crosby. White Christmas. Again. Mother. Yeah, there's no lines there.
Oh, Bing Crosby, definitely.
I'll say Sinatra.
Bing Crosby.
Boughs of Holly.
Boughs of Holly?
Boston Charlie.
Bells of Holly. La 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 la.
Ball. B-O-U-G-H-S, Boughs of Holly.
Donuts.
For more, go to ChristmasInTheSmokiesMovie.com.